I would definitely recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family.
I agree. Yes.
We already have.
Yeah, we have.
I'm Hannah Holcomb.
I'm Greg Bruno.
And we live in Council Ridge North. We shopped around a lot through different builders, old homes, new homes, different builders. And I think that we really liked Tabor just because it felt like they utilized the space. I feel like the rooms were really, like normally you walk into a new build and it's like all of the space is used in the living room and then everything else is tiny, and I feel like Tabor really utilized the space well.
The fireplace, you just flip a switch and it's on automatically, and that's something that the houses we've had is just, you have to light a match and get the fire going, but it's just at a flip of a switch and you can turn on at any moment.
Our most memorable part of the home buying process with Tabor was probably just how thorough Tabor was throughout the whole thing. They were always communicating, making sure we knew exactly what was happening at every point in the process. And I do think it was really awesome that we got to have a little like walkthrough before we moved in, just to get a feel for the house. What do we need? What could be fixed? The builder was there with us when we did that, and it was really impressive.
My favorite thing is the yard. I like to work in the yard, so that'll be something that I am going to try to tackle here in the next month or so to get it greened up for the summer.
I think my favorite part is the windows, which is why we went with the house in the first place. I love our living room. I love the huge floor-to-ceiling windows. I love our beams. It just really opens up the space, and the house looks so much bigger because of how open that is.